Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, for you Pokemon fans out there, I thought I'd share with you guys how you can get the official Pixel 4 Pokemon theme interactive live wallpaper working on your Android phones. Now sadly, it won't be compatible with all of the devices out there. However, as there's no harm, why not give it a try? But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So with this interactive wallpaper, anytime you touch the screen, the Pokemon will react, jumping, skipping, smiling, and just being so adorable. And to alternate between the different Pokemon, just simply double tap on the screen. Now to get this set up is super simple. From on your phone, just click on the link in the description below, taking you to Google Drive where you can download the Pokemon SideKick zip file. Once done, head over to the Play Store and install the app Split APK's installer. This is what we're going to use to install the zip file straight onto our phones. Simply load up the app and using the option at the bottom of the screen, you want to find and select the downloaded zip Pokemon file. But during this process, as prompted on screen, make sure to allow the app all of the permissions that it needs in order to work properly. Now depending on your phone, this installation process may take a good few minutes. So just try and be a little patient, and hopefully you should see a successfully installed message such as this one. So now that we have the Pokemon Live wallpaper installed, let's set it as a home screen backdrop. For this, we're going to head back to the Play Store and install Google's very own Wallpaper app. Now this app not just sets wallpapers itself, but also allows you to pick from all of the other wallpaper services on your phone, deciding which ones to set to your background. Now to set the Pokemon backdrop, make sure to find the live wallpaper group, head into it, and then scroll down until you see the Pokemon Live wallpaper. Now here, as well as it giving you a short tutorial, you can click this button to set it directly to your home screen. Now because this is an interactive live wallpaper, which can respond to both changes in weather and time, it will definitely increase your phone's battery drain more than usual. So just keep that in mind as you test it out. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.